Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you straight talk on the tools, tech, and gear that make life easier. Today, we're looking at the best of the best in oil filters for synthetic oil changes. This is the Fram Ultra Synthetic XG6607, and if you're serious about engine protection and pushing performance, this filter is where it's at. Right out of the box, the XG6607 makes a great first impression. Compact, sturdy, and wrapped in Fram's signature orange and black finish. It features their SureGrip technology, a textured surface that gives you a solid, non-slip grip even when your hands are slick with oil. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a DIYer in your driveway, this thing was designed to make installation and removal clean and easy. But let's talk about what really sets the XG6607 apart. This isn't your average spin-on oil filter. It's built with a dual-layer, synthetic media that traps and holds over 99% of dirt and particles. That means it doesn't just extend the life of your oil, it extends the life of your engine. Fram specifically engineered this filter for synthetic oils, which typically last longer and run hotter. And this filter matches that performance, delivering reliable protection for up to 20,000 miles. Another standout feature is the silicone anti-drainback valve. It's a big deal, especially in vehicles where the filter sits vertically. When your engine's off, oil drains back to the pan. But with this valve, it stays where it's needed, ready for that crucial first second of startup. It prevents dry starts, which are one of the biggest contributors to long-term engine wear. Inside, the XG6607 uses a precision coil spring and a glass fiber reinforced nylon poppet valve. What that means for you is consistent, controlled oil flow. Even when you're pushing your vehicle hard, this filter won't break down or collapse under pressure. Temperature resistance is another box this filter checks. The gasket is made from high-quality nitrile rubber, designed to withstand high heat and pressure. So whether you're cruising through city traffic in the summer or tackling long highway drives, you know your filter's going to hold up. What really brings it all together is the combination of performance, durability, and ease of use. Fram's ultra-synthetic line is a premium option for those running synthetic oil, and the XG6607 proves why it's one of the most recommended models out there. It fits a wide range of vehicles, but as always, double-check compatibility before buying. If you're changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, this filter might even last you through 2 or 3 cycles. That means fewer filter swaps, less waste, and more peace of mind. It's a smart upgrade, and for under $10, it's a small investment in the long-term health of your engine. So, should you grab the Fram XG6607? If you want premium protection, extended oil change intervals, and a filter that's made for synthetic oil performance, the answer is absolutely yes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews just like this. Until next time, keep your engines clean and your drives smooth.